Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add a new subcontract type in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open Opteze and go to the Tools tab. Click on Subcontract Type. Enter all the required details for the subcontract. Click Add to add to the list. Now you can see the newly added subcontract in the list. After finalizing, click Save to update the changes. And that's it. Your subcontract is successfully added. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.